Casey Anthony murder trial getting underway again this morning in Orlando, Florida. You're looking at pictures, and they are live, and they're happening at this moment. The trial took a dramatic turn over the weekend, and it's about to get started again after the judge halted proceedings, citing a quote, this legal issue. Now there's speculation Casey may be on the verge of a plea deal. Now people are backing off that. Fox News legal analyst Peter Johnson Jr. has been scrambling throughout this trial and was ready to go and was broadcasting on Saturday. But you thought you'd have a full trial to analyze through full day. What happened?
The judge had predicted that they were going to work the whole day until 3:30 in the afternoon, and then this legal matter came up as well as wrangling about a witness. So it was thrown into a panic, really, because a lot of Americans were saying, we're interested in this trial. And they're interested in this trial because it's a great test of what the American criminal justice system is. Some people are saying that this judge is bending over for the prosecution. Other people are saying that obviously Casey Anthony is guilty and that we get this trial over with as soon as possible, get her convicted, and then executed. The truth is somewhere in the middle. In terms of the decisions in this case, they've been very pro-prosecution by this judge. And so we need to keep in mind that a trial is about proving someone's guilt or not guilt, in a case.
I keep seeing this analysis. This to me, this is a woman that lies over and over again.
Sure, pathological serial liar, no doubt.
And having said that, gone through this, now all of a sudden I'm seeing the defense, the prosecution been beat up all weekend, saying that there's so many holes in this case that the defense is really looking good.
Well, they're moving on the PR front in a very strong way. The issue is a low burden. Reasonable doubt. Create reasonable doubt. Issue about computer testimony. Issue about chloroform testimony. Who typed what? Was the stain in the car before?
The child on the ladder. Backing up to the so-called drowning.
So there's a lot of different issues. We heard for many weeks the prosecution case go in. And so it's just common and to be expected that when you hear the case go in, you say, oh, that sounds like a good case for the prosecution. We're going to find out now. Is there a plea in the offing? It doesn't look like it. Is there some conduct or misconduct issues? What's going on? Right. We're going to know very, very soon. Judge is trying to rush this trial, get it through, so these sequestered juries go home. We're going to keep an eye on it day after day here on Fox.
All right. Thanks, Peter Johnson Jr., for the latest, and we will have a full day to talk about it.